We've been meaning to come up to this little overlook. We just dropped people off to grab a bus, so we're here. Goodbye, beautiful view. Goodbye, beautiful villa. It's been real. I don't want to leave. It's so nice here. Okay, we are on the road. It's still boogery, but, you know, surviving. We're at this rest stop. There's this really cute towel in the background. Like, how cute is that? We stopped to pee. I got a cafe latte soya, and Austin got an espresso, and Sis got a water. And, you know, surviving. I'm so tired.
This espresso is a lot worse than the espresso we got at the fancy place where you guys got drinks out.
Well, this is glorified gas station espresso. I mean, this is actually a bar restaurant, but like...
You used to live off of gas station chicken. I think gas station espresso.
Yes, but that's world famous chicken.
Okay, but that chicken,
Italian coffee
the
is
one the chicken I bought was never attached to a gas station, to be fair. I ate a Royal Farms chicken a lot in middle school.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
You did pretty good.
This
No,
is delightful.
It's bitter.
I think I'm back in delirious mode. We found a kitty cat. Hello, baby. I can't see.
She's right underneath in the middle of
You're
it.
underneath me. Hello, sweetness.
Hello.
Hello, sweetness. Oh, what's your name? Joel.
Girl crap on, so I'm thinking it's great.
Joel. Oh my god.
Sunny. I like the sun.
Would you like to watch me lick my butt?
It's a lady cat.
The car's returned. We are at the train station. Austin's figuring out tickets. Susan's peeing. And then I am going to eyeball what this cafe sells if there's anything I can eat. I'm hungry. But bags are here. Checkout is done for the car. Oh my god, this guy in the parking garage was being obnoxious. He was like, I don't like using your company. You guys are a bunch of crooks. I mean, you're fine. You're nice to the lady that was helping him. Anyway, the guy was like, and you guys charged me for all this stuff that I said no to. And like, he was just being obnoxious to this lady. Like, clearly he had a bad experience with some guy who's not even here. Like, just weird. And why would you rent from them again? It feels bad. I don't know. It's really weird. One train down. One to go. We're on our train to Naples. My allergies are still annoying. We're in Naples. We're in our very cute hotel room. We're staying at the Constantinople 104, which is a little hidden, but it's in a courtyard. You push a button, they let you in. And it's so cute. There's like a little terrace right outside. There's a pool. I doubt we'll be using the pool. But it's very cute. It's just a tiny room. Hold on.
You probably love this bed.
Yeah, I do love this bed. It's nice and stiff. Just a tiny room, but it's like got tall ceilings, some art. Austin. Bed. It's got a bathroom with a shower. So nice to have a shower after having the handle spigot in the tub all week. There is a closet. I highly doubt we'll be taking advantage of that, but at the villa we had like a massive room. So this is tiny, but we're only here a few days. And actually, the day we go to Pompeii and do Mount Vesuvius, we're not even here all day. Tomorrow we have the soccer game and just an explore at your own pace kind of day. Me and Austin were just talking. We could see how, like, if you aren't used to being in a crazy busy city, this place might be incredibly intimidating for you. But I don't know. I think it's fine. I loved our cab driver. He was beeping at everybody. It was so funny. Yeah, but this hotel was nice. They carried our bags up for us, which was really nice. And I called the hotel because I couldn't find how to get in. That guy was very nice. He gave me the instructions and told me like where to go. Very responsive. They have breakfast in the morning. He said, was he saying they serve it in a couple different places?
Yeah, depending on the weather.
Depending on the weather. So if it's nice out, they'll do it outside. He told us we could use the pool. I highly doubt we'll be using the pool. It is a little chilly, but I'm sure we'll sit out on this cute little terrace out here, though, at some point. I'm just glad to finally be done with our travel for the day. We have a little bit of time to rest before we need to get changed and go to dinner. Austin found a really cute place. I think it's a bit across town, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a 25-minute
25-minute
taxi. Probably
taxi.
make sure they give themselves plenty of time.
I think it's more like outside the city, more of a suburban area, I
Well,
suppose.
it's not really suburban, but
Well,
it's outside of the city center.
Suburban, yeah. Not in the main city center, but it's a vegan spot, and hopefully that'll be nice and yummy.
I mean,
So we had to pivot a little bit. We could not get a cab to take us to dinner at all. Like, I think it's just a hop-in place. When we did finally land on one, so it would take 13 minutes just for the cab to get here. So we found a vegan spot. Technically vegetarian. They do offer some cheese on pizza, but pretty close to our hotel. And it seems like it's gonna be delicious. So I had my suitcase last time I walked through here. This is the little courtyard that leads to our hotel, and it's so cute. Like, look at that arch. I guess some people must live in some of these. They're adorable. The architecture in America, not this cute. Our house has tan siding. It's so fucking ugly. This is beautiful. And then you come over here to this little spot. There's another door that leads to the hotel. It's very cute. Look how cute the courtyard is. The pool's over there. You can see it lit. These beautiful trees. It's a cute terrace. It's adorable here.